Ever wondered how you'd fare if a disaster struck out of nowhere? Survival preparedness isn't just for the apocalypse. It's about being ready for anything, from natural disasters like hurricanes and earthquakes to power outages that last for days, and even to those unexpected moments when you find yourself stranded in the wilderness. It's not about living in fear or succumbing to paranoia. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge and skills. Survival isn't about fear or paranoia. It's about being prepared for the unexpected. Here at SurvivaList, we provide practical, hands-on advice to help you prepare for any situation. You can expect a variety of content, each designed to arm you with the skills you need to thrive in the face of adversity. We delve into the art of building sturdy survival shelters, whether you're stranded in the wilderness or hunkered down in an urban environment. We'll walk you through the process of purifying water, a crucial skill that can mean the difference between life and death. We'll also show you how to start fires, a survival staple, using both conventional and unconventional methods. Lastly, we'll guide you in assembling your very own survival kits, tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're navigating the concrete jungle, the quiet suburbia, or the untamed countryside, we've got you covered. With our tutorials, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence you need to face any challenge. But SurvivaList isn't just about learning survival skills. It's about becoming part of a community that values preparedness, shares knowledge, and supports each other in the quest for self-reliance. Your unique experiences and tips can prove invaluable to others, just as their wisdom can be a beacon for you. In the world of survival, no man is an island. Let's grow stronger, more resilient, and more prepared together. Together, we can help each other be more prepared. Ready to take the next step in your survival preparedness journey? Well, you're in the right place. By subscribing to SurvivaList, you're not just gaining access to our comprehensive library of survival tutorials, but you're also joining a community of like-minded individuals, people who, like you, understand the importance of being prepared for any situation. We're more than just a YouTube channel. We're a hub for all things survival, a place where you can learn, share, and grow. So why wait? Hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss out on the opportunity to learn something new, to equip yourself with the skills and knowledge that could very well save your life someday. Subscribe now and start preparing for the unexpected today. See you on SurvivaList.